The base plate is attached to your jigsaw's base. The plate is made of steel and slides against the workpieces you cut. It provides a durable surface to protect the base from wear, and strengthens the cast base, making it less likely to crack if the saw is dropped. The base plate can be bent if the saw is dropped from a long distance. It can be gouged if it is rubbed against a hard object. Replacing the base plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the base plate. Now I can install the new base plate. I'll align it with the base and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to replace the base plate on your jigsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.